Every day, your immune system fights an invisible war against viruses, bacteria, toxins, and more. But here's the question: are you helping or hurting your body's natural defense? In this video, we're breaking down 10 science-backed lifestyle habits that can strengthen your immune system naturally, without pills, without gimmicks. Whether you're recovering from illness, looking to prevent one, or simply trying to live longer and stronger, this guide is for you. So stay tuned to the end, because number 10 might just surprise you. Habit number 1, prioritize restful sleep. Let's start with the foundation, sleep. When you're asleep, your immune system goes into repair mode, producing cytokines and antibodies that help fight infection and inflammation. Without 7 to 9 hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep, your defenses are lowered. Set a consistent bedtime, avoid screens an hour before bed, and create a calm, dark environment to optimize your rest. Habit number 2, move daily. Number 2, get moving. Regular physical activity improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps immune cells travel faster through the body. You don't need intense workouts. Even walking, dancing, or yoga for 30 minutes a day can give your immune system a major boost. The key is consistency, not intensity. Habit number 3, eat nutrient-dense foods. Your immune system needs fuel, and that fuel comes from whole, colorful foods. Leafy greens, berries, garlic, sweet potatoes, and nuts are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like zinc and vitamin C. Cut back on processed foods and sugary snacks, which create inflammation and suppress immunity. Habit number 4, stay properly hydrated. Dehydration weakens your immune system. Water helps flush out toxins and keeps your mucous membranes moist, your body's first barrier against pathogens. Aim for 8 glasses a day and consider adding lemon, cucumber, or ginger for extra benefits. Habit number 5, manage stress daily. Chronic stress is a silent immune killer. It increases cortisol levels, which reduce the effectiveness of your immune response. Daily practices like deep breathing, journaling, nature walks, or even simply disconnecting from technology can significantly reduce stress and help your body stay balanced. Habit number 6, soak up. Vitamin D. Vitamin D acts like a hormone in your body, and it plays a vital role in immune regulation. A few minutes of sunlight a day, especially in the morning, can do wonders. If you live in a cloudy region, talk to your doctor about safe supplementation. Habit number 7, practice mindfulness or meditation. Mindfulness isn't just a trend, it has real, proven benefits for your immune health. Meditation helps reduce stress, lowers blood pressure, and improves emotional balance. Try guided meditations or simply spend 10 quiet minutes a day focusing on your breath. Habit number 8, avoid harmful substances. Smoking, excess alcohol, and exposure to pollution can seriously compromise your immune defenses. Avoiding tobacco, minimizing alcohol, and opting for natural cleaning products and air filters can reduce your toxic load and strengthen your immunity. Habit number 9, support. Gut health. Did you know that over 70% of your immune system resides in your gut? A diverse gut microbiome is essential for strong immunity. Eat fiber-rich foods like oats and legumes, fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, and limit antibiotics unless medically necessary. Habit number 10, maintain a healthy body weight. Being overweight or obese increases inflammation and reduces your body's ability to fight off infections. Aim for a healthy balance. Don't chase a number on the scale, but focus on nutrient-dense meals, regular movement, and self-care. There you have it, 10 powerful natural habits that will help your immune system become smarter, faster, and stronger. These changes don't happen overnight, but every small step adds up. Which of these habits are you already practicing? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper, check out our video, 10 Essential Nutrients for a Strong Immune System, linked in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-packed content. Stay strong, stay healthy.